Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to paint my Yoongi inspired design for his 30th birthday. As most of you guys know, I was not able to paint a design last year, so I made sure that I had something prepared this year, and without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to be painting my index and pinky fingernails a burnt terracotta orange, my middle fingernail black, and my ring and thumbnails yellow. Starting with the middle fingernail, I'm using white polish to write SG in the font that LV is on his shirt there, and I was really inspired by his GQ magazine photo shoot because I think it showed a very different side of him that was very cool and chic, so I wanted to highlight that. The last time I did a design for him was really cute. The last design featured cats and was really pink and perfect for the springtime, but this time I wanted something that was more bold, so I went with black, yellow, orange, and sometimes white. I feel like I could have spaced these letters out better because you can see when I'm drawing the triangles on the G that it's pretty tight. But anyways, now I'm using yellow polish and filling in the letters. I use white as a base for which the yellow can pop off of, otherwise it would just kind of bleed or blend into the black base. Now for the ring fingernail, I'm starting by applying liquid latex on the skin around my nail and then creating this kind of half radial gradient. And now I'm using black polish to draw the silhouette of his side profile, and the reference image, as you can see, I thought it was really cool, and it just showed off a different side of him. So yeah, again, just kind of trying different things and showing different sides of the members in these birthday nail art designs. Anyways, now I'm just filling in the face. I made the face area more opaque so that I could add more details later, and the hair a little wispier so that I could add texture and show those individual strands. It was a challenge, but it made me more creative in trying to fit it better to the reference image. As for the index and pinky fingernails, I'm using black polish to section out an area and then using white polish to kind of blend in that barrier between the two colors. And this is to create a kind of ripped magazine or paper look, and this is like super simple, but I don't think I've ever seen it done before, which really blows my mind. But anyways, for the thumbnail, I'm using liquid latex again and sponging on more or less the same gradient but just at an angle, and then I'm using lighter yellows to kind of create a secondary gradient on the bottom right. And now I'm using kind of washed out white and yellow polishes to draw a ring, and now I'm using black polish to again draw Yoongi's silhouette. This was really simple and more or less the same technique as the ring fingernail design, but I think this one is easier because I didn't have to add as many details. It's actually just black polish. I didn't have to add secondary shading or highlights, so in that way I really enjoyed painting this one. Now going back to Yoongi's birthday, I've always been pretty sorry about not being able to paint a design for his last birthday of his 20s, but I'm really happy that I can kind of start his 30s with him and congratulate him for everything that he's done as a producer, as an older brother, as a younger brother, as a friend to the other members. And last minute I decided to do the same torn paper look at the top right corner using white and black polish again, but just straight out of the bottle this time. Now all you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat. You may have caught on with the music in the background. Make sure to continue streaming D2 and of course to continue supporting Yoongi on all of his solo music endeavors. And that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and happy 30th birthday to Yoongi. I hope he has a great day. I hope he has some cake, has some fun, and yeah, stream Girl of My Dreams, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye everyone.